This is how to make instant coffee. I'm going to be using Taster's Choice decaffeinated coffee. I'm hoping to get to bed at a reasonable hour tonight. First, I'm going to get the water ready. That's going to require me putting in just about as much as I think I'll need. I don't want to put too much water in the kettle. I'm going to boil it, and I'm going to watch the kettle boil to prove wrong the theory that a watched pot doesn't boil. I guess this is a kettle, so it's a different situation altogether. Anyways, it seems to be done. First, I'm gonna put some milk in the mug. I'm using coconut milk. What's the worst that could happen here? There we go. Let's wipe that up. Yeah, and then I'm gonna grab one heaping spoon of this coffee mix, pour it in, and I'm just gonna swish it around in the milk there, let it all dissolve into the milk first, and now I can put my boiling water in. And it's done. I can now have an instant coffee, and I'd say that was a fairly instant process.